It is very important that you are sanitizing, cleaning every tool that you use that come in contact with your skin. Hey there, INFOrmed Beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Hopefully your girl's not looking too rough. It is towards the end of the night. Before I kind of wrap up this day, but I want to go ahead and film this and get this information out to you guys on the how to clean your dry brush. It is very important that you cleanse your dry brush. Don't just use it and toss it in your cabinet. You want to make sure you keep this clean because it can cause bacteria and you are scraping the skin with it. So anything that breaks skin somewhat or that causes skin to come up, you just want to make sure you're being sanitary, clean. I'm going to use a container, tea tree oil, and warm water. And you don't want to fill it up like all the way. I just fill it up somewhat so that the bristles sit inside of it, not so much the whole thing, because you don't want to destroy your brush. Make sure you guys are in focus. Okay, perfect. So once I have the water, I'm going to put a few drops of tea tree into the water. Now when I received the brush, it did come with instructions to use warm water with a couple of drops of tea tree, and that was it. You let it sit there for about 10 minutes or so, and then you let it air dry after. So then after doing that, and a little bit of information on tea tree, let's talk about it. It is an antiseptic, antibacterial. It is great at getting rid of bacteria, not just from the skin but also on things as well. So tea tree is going to be a great very universal oil to use or to have in your arsenal, okay, or your apothecary, I say. So I'm going to take the brush and you're just going to sit it face down into the water like so, and then I just kind of give it a mix too to make sure that the warm water and the tea tree oil just gets in there, and then you'll let that sit for about 10 minutes or so. All right, so after about 10 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna let it dry, air dry for I just let it do it the next day or so, but you want to make sure that the brush is completely dry before you use it. So I'm just gonna put it on this little towel here. So you just want to take it out, give it a little shaky shake, and then you're just going to put it on here to dry. And as you can see, all of that lovely water has started to seep out of it as it goes. And then I just let that dry until tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so after your dry brush is completely dry from letting it soak and all that, you want to store it in a dry, clean place. I prefer to put mine at the bottom of my sink. It is away from any moisture, it is away from any dirt, any dust. Keep it away either in a drawer, a cabinet where it is clean. You can put it also in a little container sealed, so that it is, sanitary for you to use, but just definitely putting it away somewhere in a dry area so that it doesn't get any moisture. I just want to really say that it's very important that when you are using a tool for your skin, it doesn't matter what it is. I don't care if it's a spatula, okay? You want to make sure that you are cleaning, disinfecting that tool. We each use after every use. That goes to also facial tools and everything. And I think I'm going to do a video. No, I am going to do a video on that because people overlook that little step, and that can also cause your skin to break out more and have other issues. So it is very important that you are sanitizing, cleaning every tool that you use that come in contact with your skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a later video.